All right, so in this video we're talking about interior and exterior angles of a triangle. We're going to have a few rules that go along with this, so watch out for those. First off, in this picture we're talking about interior angles. Obviously in a triangle there's three of them, and an interior just means on the inside. And then exterior angles means angles that are on the outside of the triangle. So if we extend the sides of the triangle out, we make three exterior angles. And these are in blue in this picture. That's a big deal. Now, we should know by now that all the interior angles of a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. So that's what I'm saying here with this formula. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C on the inside of the triangle now. Always, no matter what type of triangle we have, adds up to 180. And the measure of an exterior angle is always equal to the sum of the measure of the two non-adjacent interior angles. So for instance here, angle 1 is an exterior angle, and it's equal to the sum of angle A and angle B, because those are the two non-adjacent sides, or two non-adjacent angles, I should say. So in example 2, what we're doing is finding the measure of each angle in the diagram below. Alright, well first off, let's say we know that from the rule we just said that the exterior angle is equal to the two non-adjacent interior angles. So again, the exterior angle is equal to the two non-adjacent interior angles. So that lets me set up the equation. The exterior angle is equal to the two non-exterior angles, and we have to add those up. So 65 plus x. That was what the rule said. Now we have an equation, so we can actually figure out what x is. I've got variables on both sides, so the very first thing I need to do is figure out what side do I want my variable to be on. I want to put my variable on the left. If you want to put it on the right, that's fine. As long as we both get the same value for x, that's all that matters. So I'm going to say minus x on both sides. Cancel out. So I have 1x plus 10 is equal to 65. And now I want to get 1x by itself, so I'm going to subtract 10 on both sides. Alright, so 1x equals 55. So I know x equals 55, and let's say you're not good at the algebra. You could always graph this, y1, y2. Okay? But I do feel that most of you are probably going to be able to do this by hand. So x is 55, so that means this angle is 55. And that means I have for the exterior angle 2 times 55 plus 10. Alright, well 2 times 55 is 110. So 110 plus 10 equals 120. So this angle right here is 120 degrees. Alright, so we found all the missing angles. Alright, so let's go ahead and find this angle here also. So we know that the interior angle sum has to be 180. So what I want to say for this angle right here is going to be 180 minus 65 minus 55. I'm talking about my interior angles here. So I'm going to use my calculator to help out. Just kind of going above and beyond, just filling in all of the picture that I can. So 180 minus 65 minus 55. You get 60 degrees. Alright, great. And what you probably have noticed is that 60 degrees plus 120 degrees is 180 degrees, because we have a straight line that makes sense. So these two angles, 60 plus 120, are supplementary, which means they add up to 180 degrees. Alright, in this example, we want to find the measure of each angle that's missing. Well, we have a right triangle, so we know automatically that this angle is 90. And we also know that all three angles together have to add up to 180. So we can actually start off by writing an equation. We know 180 because that's the total angle sum. And when I say total, that means to add them up. So 180 equals x plus 2x plus 90. This angle plus this angle plus this angle, we know has to equal 180. Now I'm just going to combine like terms. And now I want to start getting x by itself. So my first step to do is just subtract 90 on each side. So I have 90 is equal to 3x. And now I'm going to divide by 3. So we have x equals 30. Great, so now I can fill in my picture. So if x equals 30, that means this angle is 30 degrees, and this angle is 2 times 30, which is 60 degrees. All right, so we filled in the picture, which is exactly what we need to do. And we can double check ourselves. 30 plus 60 is 90, 90 plus 90 is 180. It works out exactly the way it's supposed to. And that's it for this video. Let me know if you got questions.